Golf, simple, majestic, timeless, and endlessly varied, it has survived the passage of centuries and paralleled the enormous changes of history. One can only guess how it all began, with a walking stick and a stone to keep a man company during his long journeys across the landscape. At the dawn of the new millennium, that one man has become 50 million golfers. The game's venues and governing bodies became the battlegrounds in the struggles for equality that transformed society. The evolution of equipment mirrored the technological advances that have streamlined yet often complicated our day-to-day lives. During the 20th century, the game of golf evolved into something much bigger and more significant than a game played by the privileged few. How did this pastime become the passion of so many people around the world? Wingspan Bank invites you to join us as we look at the people, places, and events that made golf truly the game that defined a century.